ultimately, I don't want a comfortable life. I want an amazing one that comes with the highs and the lows, right? When something amazing like this grant or an investor comes in, you're flying. So Gumbo is an AI-powered recipe search engine that offers personalized meal suggestions and reduces household food waste. We have a search by ingredient feature that lets you add all the items that you have in your fridge and pantry and then search for recipes from the world's best recipe websites so that you can spend less time browsing and more time cooking. Today, we're cooking smash burgers because it's really fun to just smash the beef ball into the pan, feel like a proper cook when you do it. This grant just popped up in my inbox and I thought, I got nothing to lose, let's apply for it. And I was one of the lucky few to be awarded this. With the help of this grant, I was able to grow the team. As soon as you bring other people involved that are passionate about the same goal, then there's no stopping you, really. It helped pay for designers. So we got a branding and design agency to actually take up equity. Also make use of VistaPrint's credits, right? To print those business cards as well as this t-shirt. Truly, what was the most transformative thing was it helped pay for legal fees that helped bring in an investor. This guy brought in an additional $25,000. With that money, we've been able to grow even more. It is amazing that you've got these enterprises that are willing to believe in small businesses and help them grow despite the economic uncertainty.